Hey guys, welcome back. As you can see, I have a new look, a new do, a new fro, all thanks to the amazing team at Indique Hair. So today's video was sponsored by them. They sent me 2 orders of their studio collection hair, and this particular curl pattern is called the Perfect 10 Organic Curl, and it's their 22-inch bundle. So pretty much these are clip-ins. It comes in a 10-pack of clip-ins, and they come in this bag really nicely. And right now I have all of the clip-ins except for this piece because I wanted to show you guys what the hair looks like. So this is the curl pattern. This is the curl pattern of the hair, and they sew on the clips on the back of the wefts. And what I did was that when I received my hair, I spread it out and I proceeded to open them up. So this is pretty much what I did. So I just used my fingers and curl by curl opened them up. So I did this to all the sets of clips, and as I mentioned before, each order comes with a set of 10 clips. So this is pretty much splitting it in half. So this is pretty much what I did to all my clips. And just to give you guys some more detail, the set comes with a 2, so this is 2 of each. 2 3-inch wefts with 2 clips on it, 2 6.5-inch wefts, so this is the width, with 3 clips on it, 2 4.5-inch wefts with 3 clips on it, 2 7.5-inch wefts with 4 clips on it, and 2 9-inch wefts with 4 clips on it. So what I did is that I worked longest to shortest. I started with unsnapping, clipping it on my braids, and working my way up, and then around the front, and then just kept on layering it up. So I like this look. It's different. I love the curls. It's a great protective style, and there's nothing wrong with clip-ons, whether you want to clip it into your fro or clip it on your braids like I did. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll be showing you exactly how I clipped each weft onto my hair. Let's get it started.